Good morning, all of you. So, yesterday we have seen about the project management techniques, particularly critical path method, and we have seen one statement of the numerical. Now, today we will complete that statement. Or first, we will complete that previous numerical, and then discuss about the next method, that is PERT method, and again we will practice the numerical on PERT method. So this is the statement of previous numerical, which is on CPM. A project consists of 6 activities. Draw the network diagram and determine the critical path. So in this statement they have given the 6 activities. Again, the relation between these activities and the duration for respective activities. So let us see that table and then we'll proceed for the solution. So this is the same numerical and this is the data given with respect to this statement. So there are 6 activities, that is activity A, B, C, D, E, F. Again, these are the pre-activities and their duration in weeks, that is 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3. These are the duration of respective activity in weeks. So for A there is no pre-activity, for B A is the pre-activity, for C B is the pre-activity, for D A is the pre-activity, for E D is the pre-activity, for F E and C these are the pre-activity. Now we have to start with this data of the numerical. So when we proceed, then we have to start with A activity. Then since for A there is no play, we'll start with node 1 and node 2. So in between node 1 and node 2 we'll write the activity A. Then for B, A is the pre-activity, so that's why we'll start with node 2 and then we'll write the next activity, that is B, in between node 2 and 3. Similarly for C, B is the pre-activity and so on. So this is the diagram with respect to this data. Now this is what the activity A, its duration is 4 weeks. This is activity B, its duration is 6 weeks. This is activity C, its duration is 5 weeks. So this is activity D and its duration is 4 weeks. This is activity E, its duration is 3 weeks. This is activity F, its duration is 3 weeks. Now for A there is no pre-activity. So for B, A is the pre-activity. Again for C, B is the pre-activity. For D, again A is the pre-activity. For E, D is the pre-activity. For F, C and E these are the pre-activity. And we have designated the respective nodes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, the duration of all activities are written above the arrow and all the activities are written below the arrow by capital letters. Now we have to find early start time and earliest finish time. Similarly, latest start time and latest finish time. So in order to write early start time and latest start time, or earliest finish time and latest finish time, we have to write one square each node. For example, here one square is drawn above the node 1. Then this is next square above the node 2. Again here one more square above the node 3. Then one square for node 4. Then again one more square for node 5. And last we have the node with respect to square with respect to node 6. Now let us start with activity A. So again we have forward pass and reverse pass. So during forward pass we have to take into account maximum value of the activity, and during reverse pass we have to take into account minimum value of the activity. So with respect to A, the earliest start time is 0 and earliest finish time is 4. So how to find this earliest finish time? So this is what 0 is the earliest start time for activity A and 4 is the earliest finish time for activity A. So that is with respect to the duration of A. So 0 plus 4 is 4, that is written here. So again for B, so earliest start time is 4 and earliest finish time is 4 plus duration of the activity B. So 4 plus 6, 10, that is written here. Then similarly for activity C, so 10 plus 5, that is 10 plus duration of activity C 5, so 10 plus 5, 15. Again for activity F it is 3, so 15 plus 3 it is 18. So in forward pass means we have to start with node 1, then we have to proceed to node 2, then 3, then 5 and 6. So there are two paths. One path is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Another path is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So we have taken into account all the path in forward pass. So we have taken into account one path, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now second path is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So again we have to start with activity A. So here we have to start with 0 plus 4. Then for D activity duration is 4 minute or 4 week. So this 4 plus 4, here we will get 8. Again for E it is 3, so 8 plus 3 it is 11, but with respect to path 1, 2, 3, 5 already we got here 15. So in forward pass we are taking into account maximum value. So here 4 to 5 it is 8 plus 3, 11, but 3 to 5 already we are getting 15. So we have to take maximum value. So instead of 13 we will take 15. And again 5 to 6, this 15 plus 3, 18. So when we consider the path 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then duration is 18 weeks. And when we consider the path 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, again we get the same duration, that is 18 weeks. Now this is considering the forward path. Now in reverse path we have to start with 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Again this is one path in reverse direction, that is 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. And second path is 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Now, so latest start time is 18. So 6 to 5. So 18 minus 3, here we get the 15. Then 5 to 3. This 15 minus 5, that is 5 is the duration of activity C. So 15 minus 5, it is 10. Then 3 to 2, this 10 minus duration of activity B, that is 6. So 10 minus 6, we get here 4. And 2 to 1, this 4 minus 4, 0. So considering reverse path, that is 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, we have written the earliest start time and latest start time, as well as earliest finish time and latest finish time. Now consider the next reverse path, that is 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. So 6 to 5. So here we will start with 18 minus 3, 15. Then 5 to 4. So 15 minus duration of activity E is 3. So 15 minus 3, it is 12. So here we have written 12. Then 4 to 2. So 12 minus duration of activity D, 4. So 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4, it is 8. But in reverse path of 3 to 2 already we got 4. So in reverse path we have to take minimum value. So in reverse path of 3 to 2 value we are getting 4, but in reverse path of 4 to 2 we get the value of 8. But 8 is more than 4, but in reverse path, as per our principle, we have to take minimum value. That's why we will take here 4, not 8. Then again 4 to 1, this 4 minus 4, 0. So we have finished both the reverse path. So what is the critical path in this network diagram? So check these squares. So here with respect to node 1, value at the square is 0, 0. Again with respect to node 2, value is 4, 4. With respect to 3, value is 10, 10. With respect to 5, value is 15, 15. With respect to 6, value is 18, 18. Again with respect to 4, it is 8, 12. So the difference of this early start time and latest finish time, or early start time and latest start time, is 0, or the values are same. So the square in which values are same, that is referred as the critical path. So that's why the critical path is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This is one critical path. We cannot consider 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Start.
Now the critical path is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and its duration is 18. So it is written here. The critical path is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, or we can write with respect to activity it is A, B, C, F and its duration is 18 week. So again, sometimes we have to find the floats. So what is the floats? So it is the difference between this early start time and latest start time, or earliest finish time and latest finish time. So here with respect to node, difference is 4. 12 minus 8, it is 4. So here float is 4 week, but with respect to 3, it is 10 minus 10 means it is 0. With respect to 4 minus 4 means 0. With respect to 1, again 0 minus 0, 0. With respect to 5, 15 minus 15, 0. With respect to 6, 18 minus 18, that is 0. But here with respect to 4, we have float, that is 12 minus 8, that is 4 week. Sometimes they will ask to write the floats, then accordingly with respect to the activity with respect to node 4, we can write the float for respect to. Let us proceed for the next numerical. Now this is the statement of second numerical. A small maintenance project consists of following 12 jobs. Draw the network of the project and determine critical path. Again, this numerical was asked in May 2017, December 15 and December 2018. Again, jobs are designated as 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4 and so on, and their weeks are given. So what is the difference between this problem and previous problem? In previous problem, activity or the job that are designated by capital letters A, B, C, D and so on. So instead of that, they have given the node, that is 1 to 2 is one node, or these are the node values instead of the activities, and their duration is given. So again we have to proceed as per previous numerical. Only difference is that they have not given the relation between the activities, and the activities are not represented directly, nodes points are represented. So with this statement, this is the network diagram. Directly with respect to node 1 to 2, this is the duration 2 weeks. With respect to 2 to 3, this is the duration 7 weeks. With respect to 5, this is 3, 5, this is what 5, not 3. Then again now with respect to that statement, this is the solution. Now in this solution, only by mistake here is it should be 5 and here again it should be 8. So here by mistake it is written as 3, 3, 3. So first 3 is correct. Instead of second 3 it should be 5, and instead of next 3 it should be 8. So here this is part 3 to 5, not 3 to 3, and this is 3 to 8, this is not 3 to 3. So 3 to 5, it is duration is 5 week. Again 5 to 5, duration is 5 week. So that is one correction in this diagram. Rest of the diagram is correct. So how it is drawn? So considering node 1 to 2, duration 2 week, then 2 to 3, duration 7 week, then 2 to 4, duration is 3 week, 3 to 4, duration is 3 week, this is 3 to 5, duration is 5 week, this is 5 to 8, duration is 5 week, then 4 to 6, duration is 3 week, 6 to 7, duration is 8 week, 6 to 10, duration is 4 week, 7 to 9, duration is 4 week, 8 to 9, it is duration is 1 week, and 9 to 10, duration is 7 week. Again we have to take into account the forward pass and reverse path. So in forward pass we have to take into account all the path, as well as in reverse path we have to take into account all the path, and again we have to find the critical path for the project network. So here critical path is represented by for this network the critical path is represented by double arrows. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. This is the critical path and its duration is 34 weeks. Again calculation of early start time, earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time. that calculation remains same as per the previous numerical. So this is the critical path. It is 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 10 and its duration is 34 weeks. So we'll stop here and we'll proceed for the next method and numerical based on PERT method in the next lecture. Thank you.